Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my fourth lecture on physicochemical aspects of biochemistry. The subtopic is sources of hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ions are produced by aerobic respiration of glucose, protein, and lipid. Aerobic oxidation of glucose produce pyruvate, and then from the Krebs cycle it is converted to carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. Anaerobic respiration of glucose produces lactic acid, and accumulation of lactic acid is called ketone bodies. This carbonic acid produces hydrogen ion, and then lactic acid converted to lactate is converted producing hydrogen ion. Incomplete oxidation of fatty acid also produced ketone bodies, which results give rise hydrogen ion. Oxidation of sulfur containing amino acid such as cysteine and methionine converted to sulfuric acid and then in giving rise hydrogen ion. Hydrolysis of phosphoprotein and nucleic acid converted to phosphoric acid and phosphate and produce hydrogen ion. So this is the overview of the production of hydrogen ion in our body. First is the complete oxidation of food. When we eat carbohydrate, fat, and proteins, they are oxidized and produce ATP, carbon dioxide, and water. And this carbon dioxide and water converting into the carbonic acid. This carbonic acid then dissociated into hydrogen and bicarbonate ion. So protein on degradation produce acetyl-CoA, glucose give rise acetyl-CoA, and protein also, some ketogenic protein also degraded into carbon dioxide and water, which give rise equimolar amount of hydrogen ion and the bicarbonate ion. Incomplete oxidation of carbohydrate, it is the second source of hydrogen ion production. Pyruvate, rather than converting into the acetyl-CoA, it converted into the lactate and hydrogen ion. This occurs in the muscle microorganism, and it also regenerates NAD, and due to the glycolysis less amount of energy is produced in glycolysis rather than the 8 mole, 2 mole of ATP is produced. So this pyruvate is converting into lactic acid and then into lactate and produce hydrogen ion. This lactic acid accumulated in the athlete muscle and causes muscle cramps. Elevated concentration of plasma lactic acid is called lactic acidosis. It is occur due to the failure of the circulatory system, hypoxia, disorder of the carbohydrate metabolism. सो हाइपोक्सिया, जब आप तेज तेज भागते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन आपके मसल में उस वक्त कम होती है, तो ग्लूकोज फौरन तौर पर एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए ग्लूकोज टू लैक्टिक एसिड बना देता है एंड इट कॉज लैक्टिक एसिडोसिस. नाउ when the cell health increases oxygen in blood and decreased waste in blood, it doesn't cause lactic acidosis and ketosis, but the cell starvation, disease, and cell death causes lactic acidosis and ketosis. So what is ketosis? Production of excessive amount of ketone bodies, which are ketone bodies produced, which are acetone, acetoacetate, 2-hydroxybutyric acid. These ketone bodies are produced due to excessive breakdown of fatty acid. Acetoacetate, acetone, and beta-hydroxybutyrate are collectively known as ketone bodies. Only acetone and acetoacetate are true ketone bodies, ketones, while beta-hydroxy does not possess keto group, having but also have hydroxyl group. Ketone bodies are water soluble and energy yielding. In a normal man, concentration of ketone bodies in the blood is usually less than 3 milligram per 100 ml. These ketone bodies are produced in starvation and in disease such as diabetes mellitus. The production of ketone bodies increases. The acetone is a volatile, while acetoacetate and 2-hydroxybutyrate is fixed acid. So acetone is exhaled from the lungs, while acetoacetate and 2-hydroxybutyric acid is not. कीटोन बॉडीज कब बनती हैं? कीटोन बॉडीज उस वक्त बनती हैं जब ज्यादा फैटी एसिड जो हैं वो मोबिलाइज हों और एसिटाइल को ए में कन्वर्ट हों. This condition is called diabetes mellitus when there is excessive production of acetyl CoA from the catabolism of fatty acid. Second condition is starvation when oxaloacetate is utilized in the formation of glucose by the process gluconeogenesis and oxaloacetate is not available to convert acetyl CoA in the citrate and to run in the Krebs cycle to produce energy. So oxaloacetate is not provided for the running of the Krebs cycle. So acetyl CoA give rise the production of ketone bodies. Two condition, one in which starvation, in which oxaloacetate is not available, and in the second condition when oxaloacetate is utilized in gluconeogenesis to provide glucose. Both conditions में oxaloacetate और acetyl CoA ये क्रेब्स साइकिल थक गया बहुत ज्यादा. एक कंडीशन में तो उसके इंटरमीडिएट अवेलेबल ही ना हुए और दूसरी कंडीशन में एसिटाइल कोए इतना ज्यादा आ गया कि क्रेब्स साइकिल के लिए ये मुमकिन ना रहा कि वो क्रेब्स साइकिल के अंदर प्रोड्यूस हो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर और एटीपी प्रोड्यूस करे. सो इट कन्वर्ट एक शंट पाथवे आ गया साइकिल की जगह एसिटाइल कोए से कीटोन बॉडीज बनाने का. तो ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगी इनटू दी कीटोन बॉडीज. कीटोन बॉडीज आर एसीटोन, एसिटोएसिटेट एंड बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी ब्यूटारेट. ये प्रोड्यूस होती हैं लिवर में और लिवर में भी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में. एसिटाइल कोए इज लिवर, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज कन्वर्टेड देन टू कीटोन बॉडीज एसीटोन, एसिटोएसिटेट and beta hydroxy butyl. Now the hydrogen ion production are so by the sulfur containing amino acid such as methionine and cysteine. Both amino acid contain hydrogen ion. When they are catabolized, these amino acid converted to sulfate and hydrogen ion. 50 to 100 nanomole of hydrogen ions are produced in the body and the plasma level of hydrogen ion is maintained at 35 to 45 nanomole per liter. Nanomole per liter when we take 35 into 10 raised to power minus 9 log, क्योंकि pH is the negative log of the hydrogen ion, then it is 7.35 to 7.45. It is the normal pH of and 45 log minus 10 raised to power 9 is the 4.5. तो normal pH जो है 7.35 to 7.45. and another production by the hydrolysis of nucleoprotein. When they are catabolized, they are converted into the hydrogen ion. Thank you.